Hello everyone, welcome to our booth. This is Antonio from Shenzhen Getron Company Limited. Now I want to introduce one of our products for you. This is our new design LED products. We call it Taxi LED sign. This is for outdoor use and it's shaky proof, so that you can put it on the top of the taxi. That's no problem. You can use to show some simple videos, text, cartoon, and so on for your clients. Now it's widely used in China. I think that there are also a great chance for our international business companies because many companies try to find some products on the top of the taxi for the advertisement. So also you say for our products, you can use the mobile phone to send the message, and send the video and the cartoon to the taxi stand, so it will work normally. It's so easy to learn how to operate the programs. So if you have the interest, please come to our booth, or also you can visit our website for information. Thank you so much.